My name is Leonarda Mutara, acting health sales administrator for Victoria Chitepo Provincial Hospital. With me here is the solar project which is being funded by the UNDP. So far they've managed to install 294 solar panels, and now we are waiting for the batteries, inverters and other equipment for them to fulfill the project. With me, here's the solar project, which has got 294 solar panels and a capacity of 140 kilowatts. And they'll be able to accommodate the whole hospital, but mainly for the maternity, special baby care units, intensive care units, laboratory department. Then for other departments, it will be catering for lights. Then for the administration department, it will be catering for lights and computers. But for heating systems in other departments that I didn't mention, it will be catering for lights only. The contractors are expecting to finish by December. Currently, they are waiting for the batteries. For lighting, especially money, mangmawadzi vanenge candles. Since generator cater for all those words, challenges. And there's a time yakamboita challenge in fuel. It was also a challenge to show ikapera, yet in the market when fuel yacho needs.
Okay, that's fine.
Grateful for this project, since all the departments will now be catered for. There will be no use of candles in the wards, those that will not getting lighting from the generator. And also I think it will reduce cost in terms of fuel, because we'll be using solar that is for free.